Hi everyone, welcome to our video of our Honda CB500 Hornet, and this is a bit of a bargain for someone. As you can probably see from the video, it's not clean enough for us to retail, but would make a great stunt bike, a great track bike, or for a very small investment would probably keep going for many years as a cheap commuter. So the bike is a 2005 55, and as you can see, it's got some LED indicators. We've got an aftermarket exhaust of some kind on there, carbon effect. And we've got some rental bars with some stubby levers. Now, as you can see, there's no mirrors on the bike. But she's done 22,000 miles. 22,641 miles. Starts on the button. And we've both run and ridden the bike. Turn the choke off. Just get some heat into it. So it's a carbureted version. And as you can see, a few battle scars. Got some scuffs on the engine casing there. But no other damage to speak of. Radiator's intact. Discs work as front discs and caliper working as they should. Decent amount of tread on the front tyre. As you can see, we've got a cut down front fender, so it really is a project bike for someone. We've got a dent in the tank there and a few other little ripples along the top. A crack on the rear seat unit there. Generally speaking, she just wants a good clean. So we've done nothing to the bike other than run her up and ride her to make sure she goes through all the gears and everything. But she has got an MOT until July 2025, and you can check the details of that on the Bosa MOT history. LED indicators. Everything else works as it should. So to be honest, I think if somebody put a rear tyre on it and cleaned and greased the chain, that would make a great winter hack for someone, or as I say, with those rental bars, perfect for somebody that wants to get into stunt riding, or even a cheap track day bike. So £500, she's yours. Thanks for watching.